Alright, in this video we'll be going over if-else statements. So basically the if-else statement allows the program to select an action based upon the user's input. So like this statement, they kind of help you control the program. Like it determines if a program will enter a particular section of the code based on a given condition being true or false. So without this if statement, the program will just run like the same way every time. And these statements allow you to kind of control the flow or to change the flow of the program. So that's basically what the if-else statement does. All right, before we go to our codes, there is something else you need to know. It's called relational operators. So these are like basic stuff that you must have done in mathematics in secondary school. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. So take note of all these relational operators. All right, let's go to our. So we have a very simple code here. Let's run the code, and I think it's going to ask the user to enter his or her age. Let's say 45. It's going to say you are 45 years old. So let's go back and play a little with the if-else statements. So here I want to throw in the if-else statement. So if the user is that's the age. If the age is less than 100, I want this code to print. So say print F. I want the code to print you are quite young. See, you are quite young. So that's when your age is. Let's put a new line and close. Now I want to use another one. So if else, if let's say the age is exactly 100. So we use the equal sign. It's exactly 100. We want it to print you are old, obviously. You are old, and I'll put that in a new line. Go to the end and put my semicolon. So if these two conditions are not there, it's either you are younger, you are exactly, or you're older. So else print you are really old. I mean, if you're above 100, then you are really old. You are really old. Okay, let me put a new line, even though it's not necessary. So let's build and run. Okay, so here it says enter your age. Let's say 35. You can see it says you are 35 years old. You are quite young. So let me go back and run again. And this time I'm going to choose an age that is more than 100. Let's say 120. So when I run, it says you are 120 years old and you are really old. So that's basically how you play with the if-else statement. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video where I'm going to take a task or a question and we'll answer that.